Day 11, you guys. Day 11. One third of the month is over. But it's a beautiful day outside. So I'm gonna go for a little run now. At the in-laws. You know, this year I don't really end up eating at home a lot as much as I used to back in Ramadan. Now having 2 kids, it changes everything really. I remember 2 years ago just waiting for it. And it's food time. Dates. So I just had 9 dates and almost done with my liter of water. I'm gonna put in some date syrup. I've just created a masterpiece here. This is a date smoothie that I've created for my detox customers, and oh man, it tastes good. It tastes like coffee without the coffee bean, the toxins, and the caffeine. It was a good meal. I had a lot of salad, water, and this rice with almonds. I think it was called frika. It's this Syrian dish, which was really good stuff. Ate a lot of that, and I'm gonna be seeing a friend after a while. Should be fun. But interesting thing just happened to me. 2 Saudi men with nice long beards asked me if I was from here, and then they told me that, and this is the 3rd or 4th time that this has happened to me. And they told me that something's wrong with their car, even though they were in their car and their kids are in the hotel close by and they need money to fix the car that they're in, or something like that. I told them, sorry, I can't help you, and I just walked away. So beware of Saudis. They even had nice beards, you know, it made them look authentic. That was a good look. I mean, I wonder if it works, but God, 3-4 times already. The first time that it did happen to me, I actually helped somebody. I was like, okay, and I gave them all my money, or I gave them a good chunk of money. But this time I was like, no, sorry, can't help you. Walked away. And he just drove by because he knew that I knew. Watch out. Just ended up buying some cashew sesame milk thing, which is seasonal for pressed, and I got some chocolate truffle, raw chocolate truffle. I've had a big sweet tooth recently, and nothing is cutting it. Nothing. I mean, I'm craving chocolate and all sort of the good stuff. Oh, and I got my camera back. That's my friend there. Okay, tonight we're gonna be eating old school Yemeni food. Hello. So I'm kind of stuffed right now. I had a lot to eat, so I highly doubt that I'm gonna wake up and eat some more. I'm just gonna be sipping on some infused water right here. So this is infused with orange, mint, and I think orange and mint, that it tastes so refreshing. Good stuff. So I'm gonna call this a night. Hope you've enjoyed this episode. See you tomorrow.